information society? That's a difficult question because I didn't know we were in the information society.
Coming down, raining. So we'll just stay around here in the dry. If it's the only one we do today, then so be it. No way I'm going out in that. That's feel good, nice and cool. Yeah, I'm enjoying it. Slows us all down as well. Has a more regimented frieze on it. Frieze, carving, I don't know, put it very well. Seems to be a lot less violent, a bit more big army. Maybe this is before the war, or maybe this is after the war. So, the weather's turned on us. Don't get me wrong, the weather is spectacular. I don't want to get my camera soaking wet by going out in it. But it's still stunning, stunning, stunning place. Even with modern cars going past. And so you can see it just basically disappears into the distance that way. And much the same that way. Straight down. I'm going to keep walking. Now we have elephants. Back to fighting, I suggest. We have elephants. So you can see that this whole building ain't waterproof anymore. Still, carvings are amazing. If you can see them, I'm not sure. Expressive. An actual waterfall going on, and it's significant. Look at that entranceway, driveway towards your temple. Probably a modern road, but still. So we're not going to see all the temple, because it's just a lot of the same effectively. It goes on forever in all directions. The rain has stopped. Humidity starts rising. Those steps are a bit steep, as you can see. Not for the faint of heart. And now the rain has gone and it's beautiful again. Hot. Very hot. And we got this rather steep stairs to go down with no handrail, so let's hope we don't fall on our ass and break our camera. Oh my gosh, I've said those words. Now, I've no doubt if this was in Malaysia, where I live, these steps would be slippery as hell and badly maintained. Luckily, they're not in Malaysia. Oh, also, this temple would be buried in the jungle and completely forgotten because...
Get your feet in this part.
Even the rain and puking up can't spoil the fun for her. So this is all being restored at the moment. As you can see, it's pissing down. So what happened was, we're coming back, we're walking out of Angkor Wat, and the heavens opened again and everyone got absolutely drenched. We just decided to call today off for a few hours, let them all go back, let my granddaughters have a lot of rest, and see how it goes. But I decided to get dropped off in town to have a couple of hours to walk around town, and I'm at a place which is called No Yogurt, which I saw yesterday and knew I had to come because you know how much I love the old yogurt ice cream things. And this young lady is bringing my snow yogurt. Thank you very much. And that's it. Come on. I'm kind of addicted to the whole yogurt thing anyway. The yogurt ice cream thing. So in this I've got mango, I've got chocolate bits. More, I've got a cake. I've got strawberry and banana. So it always makes me feel good. I'm sitting here and it's just getting worse out there, not better. After this is finished, I'm going to go off and find a coffee place, but I think I'm going to take my time here. Anyway, so for this trip, everything I'm doing is on a budget. One of the things that I do to save the money is hand luggage only on the plane. And as you know, it used to be you could take X amount of kilograms plus a laptop case or whatever, or a handbag. Airlines seem to have combined both the bags into one weight allowance, and it's now the original, like at the moment, 7 kg where I fly with AirAsia. So for the week here, basically I have to take my camera equipment, my tablet, and the clothing I need, and my wash stuff, my bathroom stuff, all into one bag, and no more than 7 kg. Now what that's meant is my nice cabin luggage that I bought, it's literally of no use to me anymore, because that takes about 3 kg of my allowance, even with just 4 kg. So what I have is very lightweight Adidas backpack that I bought when I was back in the UK, which I can get everything in, and also I have a denim jacket that my wife sewed extra pockets in. So the worst comes to worst, I can actually put my tablet, my telephone, my camera, and all that in the pockets. I don't want to because it looks ridiculous, but if I have to, I have to. Oh, that looks good. Anyway, being down outside, so I'm just going to sit here for a while. So I'm standing here, thinking I want to cross the road, but there ain't no way I'm getting across this without getting fucking soaked, and I've only got one pair of shoes with me. She's got the style. The rain continues to fall. It's not something you can get upset about. It's just, it rains in Asia. That's what happens. It rains in Europe, but when it rains in Europe it's cold. So when it rains here it's nice. It's a very effective restaurant here. Very cool. Lights on the wall. In Cambodia, my coffee has been hit and miss. Like this. A definite miss. It's not very hot. It's gritty. It's not smooth. It's just not the kind of coffee I like. So, not like Vietnam. Coffee's amazing. Okay. I got some fries to get me through. See you later. swooshy. Obviously frozen. It's a shame.
And you got to be on camera and you got to be like, do it.
Yeah.
Hit that like and subscribe button.
Absolutely.
Silver Fox.